This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Carmen Washington. Newly updated condo with amazing views of the Port Royal Sound. Check out this beautifully appointed 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Newly installed air conditioner unit, stainless steel appliances, bath vanities, luxury vinyl tiles throughout, freshly painted living, dining, kitchen, and bathrooms. This condo features 2 beds and 2 baths with an amazing view of the Port Royal Sound. The complex has 24-hour manned security, indoor and outdoor pools, a fitness center, grills, swings, tennis courts, and only $380,000. Furnishings are not all included, certain items are for staging only. For more information, review the details below or contact Carmen Washington at 843-715-3538.